So for this experiment, which is also pretty easy and you can do it with your children at home, you need milk, dishwasher soap, a dripper, a Q-tip, a couple of food colors, different colors, and a bowl. Okay. First, what you have to do is you add some milk. You can add some milk, Felix. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Thank you, Felix.
Red. That blue. That blue. This is red.
Yes. And now a little bit of dishwasher soap. Only a drop. That's enough. Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep some red.
Oh, that's not. Only two drops, okay? And the milk, one spot.
Wow.
Oh, that's enough. Okay. Now it's done.
Two.
Good. Very nice.
One.
Enough. Very good. Okay.
Now it's the magic.
Now the magic comes. Yes. So you take the Q-tip, Felix, and with the tip here, you dip it in the dishwasher soap. Okay. And now the tip slowly on the color. Slowly. Wow.
Really?
Just wait.
Really?
Again here. Again. Wow. Again to the
Now my turn.
to the yellow. Look, you can make green.
Now my turn.
Okay, Felix, zu schnell, zu schnell. Langsam, langsam, okay? Slowly. Mama. Langsam.
Pink.
Pink.